Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Madeline. I am so happy you've decided to join me and us today here on this channel. Green ginger tea, a little bit of honey. This week has been not great for my mental health. I have been putting off filming all week, and today is literally the last day of the week that I could possibly film because it is Sunday. I managed to find enough willpower to sit in front of this camera, fiddle with the settings a little bit more to see if it helps at all, and film something for you guys. I started this channel originally because I found makeup for me was a form of therapy. I found it extremely meditative. I found it helpful in aiding to calm my brain when it was going through bouts of severe anxiety. I figure I should just be honest with you guys and tell you that yeah, my brain hasn't been doing great, but this is the whole reason why I do makeup. So I'm going to sit down and try and calm my mind by creating something for you guys, and hopefully you will get something out of it as well. Also, you notice that new hair. I fully intended to film something before I had to wash my hair, but it still has that sort of sunflowery feel with the yellow and the brown, and I wanted to create something around that just to sort of complement my hair colors at the moment. I don't want to make this intro any longer than it already is, so let's get started. Okay, we are going to start with the eyes today. Could get messy in here. Hopefully my autofocus is working. I'm again fiddling with the settings. Hopefully this is better than what it has been in recent videos, i.e. bad. I'm going to take my Pro 7E. I'm going to start off in the crease with Butter Cupcake here. I really want to do a sunflowery palette today. So you may have noticed I have a little bit of an obsession with yellow. I don't know why, it's just sort of become one of my favorite colors. It is very on trend right now though, so now we're just gonna fluff Butter Cupcake in the crease and wing it out. And then I'm just gonna actually go into my little flash palette here and take Paper Tiger, which is a ColourPop shadow, and use that to warm up the crease just a little bit. I'm actually going to open up the good old Jaclyn Hill palette and maybe take a blend of maybe some of these browns here, maybe that one up there, maybe this one here, just to sort of really deepen up the crease now. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cut a large portion of it. I'm just going to take a little bit more Paper Tiger though and blend away those edges. Okay, now we're going to get a teeny bit more precise. I'm going to take this dark brown shade, can't remember what it's called right now. I'll put the name up here. I'm going to just deepen up the very, very bottom of the crease here. That is becoming a little less blended than I want it to be. Like 17 different palettes in front of me. That's getting there. Yeah, I don't hate that. Now, once you have it to a place where you think it is sufficiently blended, let's do a big old cut crease. Just a big one. I'm gonna take my cut crease brush. Where are you? Nope, that one's covered in glue. Where are you? Found you. Starting from the inner corner. Okay, I think that's a pretty good shape. Now we just gotta spend a zillion years filling it in and correcting it. Oh, by the way, this is a Pro 2M. Yeah, I think that's gonna be really pretty. I want to help it just a bit, especially around in this area. I think I'm going to darken the edge just a tad using that sort of dark brown and that pukey yellow color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Then take the super dark brown along this outer edge here. yeah, that is a good starting point. I am going to finish the other eye off camera up to this point and we will reconvene. Do you know what's harder than doing one cut crease? Doing the other. So I got them to, you know, a place that's fine. Honestly, I'm kind of running out of time right now, so I'm just kind of like blasting through the rest of my makeup, but I thought I'd include you in on that. So I threw on some lashes. These are Miss Fury by Rouge and Rogue, as you've probably guessed, because they are one of my favorite lash companies. Popping on some blush after some bronzer was laid down. Get some blush on the bridge of the nose. So this came in the mail recently. I've been playing with it a lot. Really glad I got the XL size because I'm gonna go through it. So I'm going to show you how I use it. I'm just putting a little bit in one area. You take your finger and you pat it out and it turns into really natural looking freckles. You do this for a million years. The more you layer up, the more realistic it looks. And they just sort of blur into your skin and really make it look like you really do have freckles naturally. I don't know what this formula is, but whatever it is, it looks really good. It's the best. I love it. Using ColourPop's Luster Dust and Strobe Globe. Nothing new or exciting there. I'm gonna take this sort of champagne-y shimmer shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just pop that into my inner corner. I'm finishing up the lower lash line with the same shadows as I used on the upper lash line. And my dad is here. Say hi, Dad.
Hey, how's it going? I'm just here to be taken out to dinner.
By me. Oh no, please don't. Dad's taking a picture of me right now.
I'm not trying to undercut you or anything like that. Haha, it's just going on YouTube.
No! I'm just lining my waterline with a nude eyeliner. I'm gonna take Sugarpill's liquid lipstick in Trinket because it's pretty nude and it also has some gold glitter, some time release glitter. And this formula also smells like lemon meringue pie. Dad, what do you think?
You're my daughter, so this is totally unbiased.
Yeah.
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 You look beautiful, dear.
Thank you. I thought I should share a couple more thoughts with you before I sign off on this video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for being a part of my makeup journey so far. Makeup for me is absolutely a form of therapy. I use it as a meditative tool, and for me it is a great way to express myself creatively in a safe space. This is why I started this channel in the first place. I wanted to create a channel to let people know that it's okay if you're not doing great, that it's okay to need an outlet for anything you're going through. And maybe this channel in some way can help you too. I will always be open and honest about how I'm feeling with you guys, and I extend that invitation to you as well. If you ever want to start a discussion in the comments, I am happy to be a part of that and happy to contribute. This video might be a little bit more low energy than others, but it was extremely helpful for me to just sit down and play with some makeup and be creative and to share it with you guys. But yeah, if you like this face, if you like what this channel is about, please don't forget to subscribe. I post whenever I can. I don't have an uploading schedule, so if you like to know every time that a new video goes up, just hit that bell icon down below and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new thing. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That helps me out a great deal. You can always go ahead and follow me on any other social media. My Instagram is at Madelaide, which is the same way it's spelled here, and my Twitter is at madsuds, which is MADDSUDZ. And as I always say, please be kind and be generous to everyone you meet out there in the world today, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.